have this YouTube channel called Vicky Giraffe. So it covers a manner of different things. So the most recent video, which I've just filmed, is all about different names for groups of animals. But we cover animals, we cover camping stuff, we like going out and about. So what I wanted to do today is I wanted to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes tour of how I film. So I've just filmed this video, but I want to turn the camera around so that you guys can see. So if you like this type of video, then let me know, put a little comment below. Give it a nice big like and give some love over to the subscribe button as well, because we do want to make this channel grow a little bit and I want to give you guys the best content that you guys want. So if there is something you really, really enjoy, then let me know and then I can put a little bit more into that aspect of things to give you guys exactly what you'd like. So help me out to help you out. So what I'm going to start off with is I film on an iPad. So I don't have any technical gear and it just shows that, you know, I'm a fairly new YouTuber. So I only started in first lockdown, which was last year. It was about May time I think I started. So I've had a good little time so far. I suppose my best bit has probably been this year, so 2021. This month has been absolutely amazing. We're up to just over 100 subscribers and hopefully if you tap that red button then we will grow and grow and grow, which is great, which is absolutely amazing. But I just wanted to show to you that we can actually start off a YouTube channel with some very, very simple things that you probably already have. You don't have to spend lots and lots of money going out and buying like a new flash camera or a laptop, a big Mac or anything else. You can start off with what you've got. You can then utilise that, you can edit things, you can add music in, you can do all sorts very, very easily. So as I say, I use this iPad. I film it all on the iPad, or if I'm out and about I use my phone. And then I actually edit it on iMovie. The most recent video, which I've just filmed, is all about different names for groups of animals. But we cover animals, we cover camping stuff, we like going out and about. So what I wanted to do today is I wanted to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes tour of how I film. So I've just filmed this video, but I want to turn the camera around so that you guys can see. The iPad is probably a little bit more limiting to what you'd have on your iMac, but it suits me at the moment down to the ground until I start to grow. Hopefully I can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, because that's what you need to be able to become monetized. So that is always the goal. So hopefully if you guys are able to support me, then hopefully we'll be able to get there soon, which would be absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I do all this editing on iMovie. Some of the creators who I watch Catherine Manning. She's absolutely brilliant. So she's actually got two channels. She's got one explaining all about YouTube, and then she's got a second channel to show her vlogging. So she's got some cool, you know, household design things that she does, where she's changing out lights and decorating and buying new items. She's got gardening, she's got all sorts of different things. So she's absolutely great. Another influencer who I watch is Modern Millie. So she is actually Instagram based. So she does a lot of tuition onto your Instagram to hopefully get more followers. And if you've got more followers on there, then hopefully they'll come over to YouTube as well. So if you haven't seen my Instagram, then check that one out. It is under Vicky Giraffe. And then what I also use is Epidemic sound. So I found that if you've got music on in the background that maybe you can't hear properly, your video might catch onto it and record it. And then when you upload the video, it gets checked by the YouTube things, and a couple of mine has come under copyright. So when I do get monetized, I won't actually be paid for those videos because I've had the proper music in the background. So I use Epidemic sound. So it's great, it's got such a different array of different music that you can put on to your video and you won't have any other copyright either. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to turn off my lights and show you what this would look like if I didn't have any lights on. So let's turn this one off. So that's a ring light that's gone off. And the other one, there we are, is a floodlight. So I started off with a floodlight, my iPad, and a music stand, and that's what I used to put my iPad on. So let me turn those back on again. So that's the floodlight, and that's the ring light too. So this is the ring light I've got, just a small one here. You can change over, need to get it here. You can change the different light. Hopefully you can see that. You can get the best one you like. You can put your phone in this holder as well, and this moves around. So that is that one there. I'm going to turn the iPad round and show you the setup from the other way. This is how it goes. So I've got my notes there. I've got a music stand to hold things with. I've got my light on here, which is actually being held up by some DVDs. And these are some of the animals which I used on the last video. So you've seen how it turns around. There's actually quite a bit of light going on in here. So it has been really, really cloudy, dark, raining as well outside. And I've only got one window here in this room. So that's why I have to have the additional lights. I was hoping I could just have the ring light, but to be honest, having that other light as well, I mean, if I turn that one off again, you can see it becomes quite dark again. So if I put that back on, it just gives me so much more light, which means I can give you guys a little bit of a better video, which is absolutely great. So I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of behind the scenes. I know it's only a little short video, but it just shows to you that you can make videos with limited items. My ring light I only got at Christmas. That was a little Christmas present off my sister, which was absolutely amazing. And what it does is I can plug it into a battery pack so that I can take it, you know, all sorts of different places. I don't have to worry about having a plug. But it also has a USB on the end, so I can plug that into, let me turn that back on. I can plug that then into a plug and put it into the wall so I've got constant light. But yeah, suits me down to the ground. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you have, then give me a like and a subscribe as well. And I will see you soon. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.